Alright guys, if you're thinking of Starlink in 2026 and you want to get Starlink, I need you to calm down and watch this video, because if you buy the wrong kit or mount it like a DSTV dish, you will come and tell me in the comment section, and I don't want you to have trouble with Starlink. So today I'm going to be mounting my Starlink Standard. This is it. I'm going to be mounting the Starlink Standard, and I'm going to also be telling you the difference between the Starlink Standard and the Starlink Mini. This guy has been serving me for like 7 months now, and so this one just came, and so we'll be looking at it in proper perspective together. Hello guys, you're welcome back to AY Excellent Tech, and I'm glad to have you here. If you want tech in the most simplified form, this is the channel to subscribe to. Please do well to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed to the channel. I talk Nigerian reality here and what you can get even anywhere in the world. So here's my Starlink Standard that has finally landed. It took them 28 days, but normally it's not supposed to take all that. But there was a story that's around the verification and all that, so you can check that in my previous video. So this has finally been delivered, and I want to show you what is inside. So here we have it. We have the standard kit. This is the standard dish. This is the standard dish. We'll be doing a comparison quickly, and so this is the standard dish that came with it. All right, so we have the cable. This is a LAN cable and also a PoE. That we have a router. We have a router that comes with it. We have what's it called? A power pack. So, and then this I think plugs to this. So these two together. So that's what is inside, and you have this big map of whatever. You understand what I mean? How to mount your Starlink. So but I'll be showing you how to mount it. You can trust me. So here is the Starlink Standard, and here is the Starlink Mini. The Standard has a router, but the Mini does not come with a router. You know what I mean? So the Mini does not come with a router. That is, the router is mounted inside of the Mini. In proper perspective, let's see how big this Standard is. Look at this. This is like, let's mark here. I think we should have like ×2 of it. ×2 of it inside. Okay, just a little bit of, yes, almost. This is twice as long and still has at least a half fold size of it. Did you get it? So it's kind of big, and that is why this Starlink Mini consumes like it consumes 30 to 50 watts of electricity. 30 to 50 watts, and this one consumes like 60 to 70 to 75 watts of electricity, so on a normal basis. So their differences are glaring. Now we'll also be testing, when it is mounted, we'll be testing the speed of these guys side by side. So you see that Starlink Standard is actually standard. Everything is bigger, and it gives you more headroom, throughput, and I think this can serve a whole lot of people. According to Starlink, the Mini can serve 128 devices. The Starlink Standard can serve more than 200 connections. So, and that's that. I think this router is a Wi-Fi 6 router, and then it has what's it called now, 5 gigahertz band, and of course the 2.5 gigahertz band. But I think everybody wants to use the 5 gigahertz band. So that's it for the router. At the back of the router, you have the port for your Ethernet, and this Ethernet and is also a PoE that powers your standard dish. So you have a PoE, and you have 2 ports for LAN cable. 2 ports for LAN cable. You also have the port for connection. Power to power the router. So the power to the router is also what is going to power this dish through the PoE that is provided here. But for the Starlink Mini, let's remove this. So you have a standard port for connection, electricity connection, and you also have the one for your what's it called now, LAN. So, and you can use a PoE for this. The PoE will just come with a LAN cable, and then at the mouth it's going to split. So, but then you can use the two, because I've been using the two. So one for the power and the other one for the LAN that goes into my other router. The Wi-Fi is also dual bound, and then this is how this guy is mounted. It came with this. As a matter of fact, it came with this. So easily we can mount it this. The kickstand, it also has a kickstand, but because we are not placing it on the ground, we are not going to be using the kickstand, so we're placing it on top. Now what I discovered is that this guy is something you just mount and put it there. You don't bother yourself by like, I want to remove it, I want to bring it down, I want to take it somewhere. No, this one does not look like something you take here and there, but this one can go anywhere with it, and pretty amazing anywhere you want to go. I told you the other time that we had a program somewhere and I had to take this, and sincerely it served us. I've seen like 250 Mbps on this. Yeah, 250 Mbps. So this can actually serve you, and it has served me for 7 months. 7 months. Now, because you can carry this along anywhere you go, we have this. This is a Star Gear case. It's also a carry bag that you can use. Now, it comes with this. It's strap. So this is Star Gear. You can use this as an accessory. So you can get Star Gear accessory. The link will be in my description. So this is how you mount this one. Let's just remove this. Obimas is also another company that does accessories like this. So you can also get cables from Obimas, beautiful cables, and the rest. So this, you mount it like this. This is like something you're carrying, you're taking out to somewhere. Just good. And this can go with you anywhere. It can go with you anywhere. So your Starlink is, so this is like a cable for it. So you use this one to hook it, and you can take your Starlink to anywhere you want to go. So that's Star Gear for you, and it's good for those who want to go camping and all the rest. So in the aspect of money, this is 590,000 naira, and this is 318,000 naira. But of course, you know, Nigeria, there will always be extra. So this one came to around 626,000 naira, and this is around 354,000 naira, buying from their website. The next thing we'll be doing now is we'll take this one back to where it is, and then we'll be doing proper mounting for the Starlink Standard from scratch. So this one, I'll just fix it because I've done the mounting of this one on the channel before. So I'll see you on the other side. So I need to mention that you need Starlink mounts. You need a mount for your Starlink, and let's see what is inside here. You need this, you need something like this. That's why we say Starlink has a lot of upfront costs. So you need something like this to be able to mount your Starlink. When I was expecting my Starlink, I decided to order this so that when Starlink eventually comes, it won't be a problem. So that is it. That's what we've got. So I've been able to pass my cable from inside, and I will drag it out to the point where we need it. I just want to mount it around here. Now, if you check the side, that's where my Starlink Mini is. So I just want to have a little bit of distance, and so this is also at the back of a window. Mounting it is very important that you mount it where they will not borrow it. I'm saying that again and again. First thing first. Good. So this one will not go with it. This is what will go with it. That's in our cable like this, and you allow it to tuck in. So this is how it's going to look. So then we mount. Let's do the mounting of this one. So I just want to tighten this first. We are not sure of his alignment yet, but I just want this guy to stand. I want it to stay well. With the sound I'm hearing, it's trying to calibrate and find this thing. We will see that from the phone. Okay, it's aligned, perfectly aligned. So we screw this so that it will stay in the proper position. And while you are tightening, you are also still checking alignment. All right, since it's aligned, let's do a speed test and check. So we are seeing like 300 Mbps, even while we're outside and the router is inside. So, and close to 31 Mbps for the upload. I think that's fair. That's like a little higher than what we get on the Standard. So that's it. It keeps disconnecting because the phone is far away from the router. Although there are walls and all the rest, but that means there is still a limitation to the router that comes with the Starlink Standard. So if your house is large, you may eventually want to get another router, but that's for for now. So this stays here, and the only thing I will just do is I'll try as much as possible to allow this rope to tuck into the roof. So after climbing 7 mountains and 7 crossing 7 seas, I think we got Starlink mounted there, and so the cable goes in here. See, I just don't have the strength to drill hole. Would have drilled a hole for it to go through the wall. So, but I don't have that strength. So after mounting the Starlink, we need to do a test for the Starlink that we have mounted. So I had to do a cleanup first before coming to do this. We'll check from the phone and see our speed test for the Starlink Standard. Let's connect to Starlink Standard, 5 gigahertz, and then we'll go to speed test. So I'll try as much as possible to make sure while I'm doing the speed test here and that of the Mini, I will do it with the same. Let's make sure. Okay, Luli fiber. So I'll go with Luli fiber and let's click go. It's connected to Glow. So okay, this is 329, 337 easily without any stress, and then the upload is around 53 Mbps. So this is my test for the Starlink Standard. Of course, you can test at other time. I will not forget that we're using Glow Lagos. So I will move closer to my Starlink Mini to test again, to test for the Starlink Mini so that you can see it for yourself. Right now, I may be close to the Starlink Mini. So I'll just do the test again. I'm very close to the Starlink Mini. Of course, the router is outside, so I don't want to cheat Mini. But then, you understand, I'm just trying to let you know that the two of them, they have different capability. So let's call this a downtime for Mini, but this is what we get. This is what we are getting. So that's that for the Starlink Mini, and it is safe to say that Standard is faster. Having tested both, you can see for yourself and discover that the Standard is far faster than the Mini. So looking at who should buy what is important, because you may want to know exactly which one you should buy. So who should buy Mini? If you move around and you want lower power usage, you don't have the strength of more power, more electricity and all the rest, you may want to go for your Mini. Or you want portable setup, you want a portable setup, you must buy Mini. That one will help you a lot. But if you want to buy Standard is good if this is home or office main internet. You want to use it for streaming like me, and actually the moment I just got the Mini and I mounted it, I started using it and I feel it's better. I can see that it is better, so I'm sticking with it. I'm going to change all the networks in my house and everything, the connection, the placement and everything, and also my smart switches. So I need to connect them to the Starlink Standard so that things can run normally, and anywhere I want to go I can actually carry the Mini with me. So if you want stronger Wi-Fi and higher peak performance, you see that we are in the peak performance time, and actually Starlink Standard is doing better. If you want proper mounting and stability, then you should go for Starlink Standard. Of course, you've seen the speed test, and there's nothing much to say about it. You've seen same location, same sky, same time, nothing funny, just that both of them are different. It's just like a grandfather or a father and a son. That's it. Starlink Mini is comfortably sitting at around 100 Mbps thereabout, and at times a little bit higher than that, 150 Mbps. So, and the upload is around 15 to 20, but that of Starlink Standard is around 300 Mbps. It does 200 easily 300 Mbps, and latency is still very low, under 30 milliseconds. So I think 20 something milliseconds thereabout. So, and you are good to go. So this is physics, and this is how Starlink is working. For me, I prefer the Standard. Now I can actually move my Mini anywhere I want to go. So for me, that's the real difference between the Starlink Standard and the Mini. Not specs on the website, but real life usage, and this is it for me. If you're mounting Starlink for home or office, Standard makes more sense. Just like I said, if you're moving around or managing power tightly, Mini is a strong option. In the next video, I will break some other things down and dive deeper into other realities, thick walls, gaming. I really want to try gaming out. I just, like I mentioned in my comment section, it's been about 15 years I played game last, so maybe I'll just try it out for someone to see the milliseconds and what's it called, the latency for each of the game I play, or whichever one. If it is one I can try, and I'll do that. So if you're using for business setup, you should go for standard. Please drop your question in the comment section and let us know exactly which one you're planning to buy, and please buy with my code or my link. You'll be able to get 1 month free subscription from Starlink. Now I have set up a course for those who want to use Starlink for business. You want to know exactly what to do, what to buy and everything. Please, the link is in the description of this video. Check it out and buy that course. The price must have increased by now, so get it before it goes higher again. Now I want to say that Starlink sent me a message that I'd like to mention. You can earn commission for each new customer you bring on board by helping manage a Starlink community. Now, a community of people who will not buy, all of them buy Starlink, but you will have Starlink, and then you'll be able to share it with them, and connecting more people to fast, reliable internet in your area. So they sent me a survey, and the survey talked about how to set it up, what will be your the difficulty in setting it up, and all the rest. How much would they buy this? Would they buy your network per month, or what would be their subscription plan, and all the rest? So I think Starlink is well aware of the fact that people use it for business, and so if you want to learn how to actually make money from Starlink, I think it is the right time you get that course. I'll be in the comment section. If you have any question, please reach out to me, and whatever else you want to know about Starlink, I'll definitely help you. If you want to mount it, you want to do anything, and you are within reach, I can help you, and I can also give you a word of advice on your mounting and your purchase. Thank you very much. I'll see you again in my next video. Please do well to subscribe to the channel and be a part of this channel. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.